This is Emhape Tech with new video. MWC 2018 is almost upon us, and with it new flagship smartphones. The Galaxy S9, the 2018 LG V30, the Huawei Mate P20, and more will most likely hog the spotlight, one way or another. And it might be too easy to think that these are the best that the Android world has to offer. Or that you have to pay premium to get the best stuff. Fortunately, there are some new upstarts, and one still young company, that is giving the big boys a run for their money. We look at the OnePlus 5T, the Essential P20, and the Razer Phone to see which of these three rebels might be worth your money and dethrone the smartphone kings. Specs and performance. Winner, OnePlus 5T. Although the gaming-oriented Razer Phone comes close, the latest OnePlus flagship has a more well-rounded feature set. It makes up for its smaller battery with dash charge fast charging and a less power-hungry 1080p display. Winner, Razer Phone. Razer's first phone has a crisp and vibrant display, and its 120 MHz refresh rate doesn't hurt either. It's a gaming phone, of course, but who's to say that the feature won't be useful for other things in the future? Design. Winner, Essential P20. You can't deny that the Essential phone looks stunning. Especially if you were already enchanted by the iPhone X. Yes, there will be some comparisons, but if you want a dashing phone to flaunt and don't mind, or actually want to, being mistaken for an iPhone user, this is pretty much it. Software. Winner, Essential P20. Clean and fast, Essential has proven the benefits of not having bloatware on board. Updates come quickly and so do fixes. You'll need to know your way around Android though, as it also doesn't offer too much convenience features you'd expect from a phone these days. Price. Winner, Essential P20. The $499.99 is too good to ignore, especially when you're getting almost everything the others have at a lower price. If you want to splurge, you can get the new $599 Ocean Depth color instead. And the winner is, with 3 scores out of 5, the Essential P20 definitely comes out at the top. Of course, it's not a clear-cut victory and you might have other considerations. The Essential's design, despite its looks, is not exactly conducive for gaming the way the Razer Phone is. It pretty much started on the wrong foot when it came to camera experience, but has so far proven it could improve update after update. It still hasn't made use of those 2 small holes on its back beyond the 360-degree camera. And it has also thrown out the 3.5mm headphone jack that the OnePlus 5T lovingly holds onto. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.